State asigi Manung Hanjinba Mapham Dasu Achumba Wayel Phanghanba Yamnamak Mathou Tai haina High Court of Manipur Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na phongdokkhre. Wafam ase High Court Bar Association of Manipur, All Manipur Bar Association amasong District Bar Association ge e-filing counter Phanghanba amadi recruitment website amasong case status display application launch tawkibaga loinana judicial officer singda iPad amadi Apple MacBook yanthokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibane. High Court of Manipur na sindura ngase chingmairong da laiba High Court of Manipur gi auditorium da pangthokkiba thoram aduda Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na hai ngase e-filing counter recruitment website amasong case status display application launch tawkibaga loinana judicial officer singda iPad amadi Apple MacBook sing yanthokpa ase state asigi judicial system da yamna maru oiba khongthang amane khongthang asida Manipur gi judicial system da anoba pandup ama oihoragani Honglakliba anoba technology singa sagon naduna mipum khudimakta Achumba Wayel Phanghanbagi pandamda paikhatliba khongthang ase yamna singthaningai ne khongthang asina miyamda hena khudongchaba piba amade hena transparent oiba ama ohelagani judiciary haibase constitution gi guardian oiba maramna honglakliba khunai asigi mathok taba sing menkhatnaba honaba changi ngasi judicial gi process singda technology sing sagon narakliba se tangai fadaba amane Masina ka hena matam manghanba che chang hena sizinaba adu hanta haduna justice delivery system ase hena yangna kumang chawsin hanbang ngambane state asegi Manung Hanjinba Mapham sing leiliba miyamda achumba thauda karamna fanghangani haibagi wahang aikhoina hangfam thoe wahang asegi paukum ase ngasidi fanglabra khale technology gi power asina ngasidi Manung Hanjinba Mapham sing leiliba miyamda achumba Wayel thauda fanghanba ngamdagani thajai haina mangna makha chakhe.
These initiatives underscore our dedication to making the judicial system more accessible, efficient and transparent for all citizens. Our judiciary, the guardian of the institution of the Constitution, must evolve continually to meet the needs of a dynamic society. The integration of technology in our judicial processes is not merely an option, it is a necessity. When I first assumed the office of the Chief Justice of the High Court of Manipur, I was confronted with the challenge of ensuring access to justice for not just the urban areas, but even for the remote parts of the state which were unconnected and in the throes of a discord. And it presented a unique challenge in delivering timely and effective justice to all.
Ngasigi thoram aduda High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na hongdabi matung ina e-filing counter sangabaga loinana recruitment website amasong case status display application amasong launch tawbaga loinana judicial officer singda iPad amadi Apple MacBook yanthokhe thoram aduda High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul High Court of Manipur gi Justice A. Bipol Justice A. Guneshwar Justice Volmai Gaifishulu Kabri Manipur Human Rights Commission gi Chairperson UB Saha Manipur Judicial Academy ki Director Justice K.H. Nobin, Advocate General Lenin Hizam, High Court of Bar Association Manipur ki President Y. Nirmal Chan, Bar Council of Manipur ki Chairman Sarang Them Brajabihari Amade, All Manipur Bar Association ki President P. Tomcha Michaina, Athoiba Mitunglen Singh Oina Sarvyakhe.